How to effectively catch cheaters on TypeRacer. The classic way of identifying a cheater is to read through the typing logs and to check for consistent keystrokes. This worked well for a while, however, but I felt that it led moderators to falsely ban some legitimate players. Before we get started, I want to recommend two user scripts created by other TypeRacer moderators, and they're extremely useful. Poem script adds an extra column to the flagging area that shows whether a user is disqualified, and it's a pretty good indicator whether it was reviewed or not, so that moderators are not all reviewing the same case only to find out that it was already taken care of. When you're viewing all the races of a user, Taylor's script makes all the race numbers clickable or a link to directly show you the race replay, no matter if they've been banned or not. To install these scripts, you need a browser extension like TamperMonkey or GreaseMonkey. With TamperMonkey, you can click on the extension icon, then you can click on Create New Script and paste the code there. Disclaimer: please be careful when installing user scripts onto your browser from people that you don't know or trust. They can end up being malicious and doing things that you might not like in the long run. Alright, I get that, but how do I identify a cheater, you ask? To understand a cheater, you must know how to cheat. How to hack on TypeRacer 2020 video. No, if you do it, I'm gonna... Race replays were added to profiles on June 20th, 2017, which made identifying different typists and cheaters way easier. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. One last tip. By default, you cannot view the race replay of a banned user. If you append this function to the link, you then can view it. There are many lovely various types of cheating on TypeRacer. The first one we're going to show off is macro or script cheating. As you can see here, it's very blatant, and they're just going crazy fast without a care in the world. If you take a look at the segments, you can see that they are going crazy over 300 words per minute, which is not normal. This next form of cheating is what I like to call discrete cheating. Throughout the race, you will see this guy's script type the words cheat and bot on an interval, making it appear as if he's a normal typist making typos and his accuracy is not 100%. This form of cheating is what I like to call copy and paste cheating. Now, it is a very minor form of cheating, but it's still not allowed on TypeRacer. When he gets to the word convince in this text, you can see him typing out the entire word without any delay. People tend to do this to avoid a word that they have difficulty typing to maintain their speed. And the last example I would like to show for this video is what I like to call script fail. Taking a look at the segments at the bottom, you can see that it's already crazy consistent. But upon watching the replay, it's not too bad and it does kind of look legit. That is, until they get to the end of the text, where their script just fails and returns an undefined value at the end. You can find a whole library by searching on things like YouTube and Google TypeRacer cheat or TypeRacer hack and filter it by the upload date or the most recent result. Some of them don't even log out of their account while cheating in their videos, which gives you video evidence from themselves that they cheated. And this is where you go, and that wraps it up. Hopefully this video has been informative to you and helps you out. If you are new on the moderation team for TypeRacer, then welcome. If anyone has any questions about anything or needs help to identify a cheater or has suspicions that anyone is a cheater on TypeRacer, please discuss it with the other administrators and moderators in the moderation text channel on Discord.